everybody, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. As you guys can see from the title, today I'm just going to be showing you how to put together your own emergency girls kit. And today I am using a bag that was sent to me by Shayna B Miami, and this is just their large spill-proof makeup bag in blue palm. I will have a link down below for you guys. And basically, this is just all the stuff that I always keep with me. And what's really nice about this bag is that it is spill-proof, so if anything breaks open inside of it, it won't go everywhere and it won't ruin the bag. I really just like how you can easily throw a bunch of things in here and then switch this between either your purse and your backpack, or just keep it in your backpack or just your purse. This transfers between my purse and my backpack non-stop, but I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys everything that I can keep in here. And remember that everything that I'm showing you fits in this bag and that there still is room. And I'll try to link as many of the products that are in this bag down below as well, in case you guys are interested in purchasing any of them. And without further ado, let's get started. Like I said, this is just the bag, and it is from Shayna B Miami, and it is just a really nice light blue with palm trees. And then this is just what the inside looks like. It is kind of a disaster. And now I'm gonna go through what's in here, and as you guys can see, there is a ton of stuff. So right now, I'm just gonna dump everything out. First up, we're gonna start with hair. I always have a travel size dry shampoo in my backpack no matter what. You never know when you're gonna need dry shampoo. This one is just the original Batiste one because it was the only one I could find in a travel size at the time. And then I have a hairbrush. A lot of people like the compact ones that fold. I don't. I like to actually be able to grip my hairbrush and brush my hair instead of like having to like hold it funny. This one is just from Conair. I have some bobby pins because you never know when you're gonna need bobby pins. And fun fact, when I graduated, I totally and completely forgot to bring bobby pins to keep my cap on my head. Thankfully, my friend had one in her car with her and was able to give it to me. And then I just have two things of ponytails. This one is just a pack of the comfortable all-day medium hold, no damage hair ties. And then these ones are the fun ones that aren't supposed to like leave marks in your hair, and you can wear them as bracelets. Moving on to oral hygiene, I just have three different things. I just have floss, toothpaste, and a toothbrush. These things are a lifesaver. You can find them at Walmart and I think also at Target, and they are just the Plackers flossers. And what's really nice and convenient is once you have this container, you can just fill it up from the bag, and it's a lot cheaper. I have some toothpaste. This is just one that I got from the dentist as a sample, and it's the Crest 3D White Fluoride Anti-Cavity Toothpaste with whitening therapy and enamel care. And then I just have a collapsible toothbrush. This one's from Colgate, and I believe I got this at Walmart. And it's really cool because you just flip it up, flip up the head, and then close it, and then you get a full-size toothbrush, and it has a handle and everything. I also have a bunch of different medications with me. First up, I just have some Tums. These are just the Tums smoothies, and you can get the travel size pretty much anywhere in the travel section of any store pretty much. And then I just have a bunch of different single medicine packets. I have some Tylenol Extra Strength, some Prilosec OTC, I have some Excedrin Migraine, some Zantac, and I also have some Advil. For wardrobe malfunctions, I have three things. I have a Shout Wipe and Go. I have a mini Tide to Go pen. Usually Tide to Go pens are big, long, and red. However, I found this cute mini one and figured I'd get this one instead because it's a smaller size and it'll help fit more in my bag. And then of course I just have a mini lint roller, and this is just from Scotch-Brite. I have two random things. I have a pair of earplugs because you never know when you're going to be taking a test in school or a pop quiz and need some earplugs just to block out the noise, or even in the library. And I also have a lens cleaning wipe for my glasses. I also use these on my laptop and my phone. And then pretty much everything else is geared towards being a feminine product. And so first off, I just have some tampons, of course, because you never know when the time of the month is going to creep up on you, or you never know when other people are going to need them. And this is just in a little pink container from You by Kotex. If you buy the You by Kotex pads and sometimes even the tampons, it comes with one of these for free, and it's just convenient. It kind of just discreetly stores them, and it fits two tampons, and there are just two in there. Of course, I have hand sanitizer. This is just one of the old Bath & Body Works pocket bags, and this is in Pacific Cool Breeze. For removing makeup, I just have one of the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Waters, and I also have some cotton rounds, and both of these I got at Target. I have some Axe spray. This came from Target, and it is the Axe Anarchy for Her Daily Fragrance. So basically it's just a mini body spray. And then I have a deodorant. This is one of the new Secret Deo balls, and I have no idea what the scent is, but it smells really nice and fresh and like a garden. I have a mini set of tweezers from Tweezerman, a mini nail file, and then also I have this really cute pair of mini nail clippers because again, you never know when you're gonna need these things. I have one of the Vaseline lip therapies because you never know when your lips are gonna be chapped. I have a little hand cream. This is from L'Occitane or however you say it. And the last three things I have are just travel size makeup items. The first one is a concealer. This is the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Anti-Aging Waterproof Concealer. I have a mini mascara. This is my go-to mascara. It is the Benefit They're Real. And then lastly, I have a lip gloss just in case your lips need a pop of color for some reason. And this is just the Tarte Tardiest Lip Paint in the color Birthday Suit. So that is just everything that I keep in my emergency girls kit for school and my purse. If you guys have suggestions of products you think I should add into here, be sure to leave them in the comments down below. Be sure to check out this bag if you are looking for something that can store a ton of stuff, or if you're just looking for a great makeup bag. If I do any traveling in the future, I definitely think I'm going to use this as my makeup bag, and I will do a video on that if the day ever comes, but I really like how much storage you actually get. This is the size of it compared to my face. As you guys can see, there is a lot of room. I'm not sure the exact dimensions, but I'm sure they say them on the website. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button to become part of the Allie Packa Squad. I upload a bunch of new videos each week. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys!